So this is the cheapest flagship with 120Hz AMOLED display and some really amazing specifications. Hey guys, and the K30 Ultra is now official along with the Xiaomi Mi 10 Ultra, and this thing packs some serious amazing specs and design at a minimal price. So you're looking at a 6.67 inches Samsung's AMOLED full screen display with no notches, no holes. This is a bezel-less design, and icing on the cake is 120Hz refresh rate. Exciting part is the bezels are really small and the back design looks really amazing. This glass panel, this gradient finish of green is superb. There are stereo speakers so that you can get an amazing experience while watching movies and playing games. Now the specifications are quite different cause Xiaomi is using Dimensity 1000 Plus CPU, which is not as good as 865 flagship but better than 855 Plus CPU. It is an amazing CPU, a flagship grade silicon from MediaTek, but we'll see how it performs and how it heats. There's 6 plus 8 gigs of RAM with 128 plus 256 plus 512 gigs of internal storage options. So they are giving some amazing specs, but CPU is something we have to wait and watch before grabbing this device. The benchmark scores looks great and Xiaomi promises this is an amazing performing device. In terms of the camera department, there's a 64 megapixel IMX686 camera, which is an amazing one. This one also comes with OIS plus EIS, and I think it's an amazing sensor, same as in the Poco X2. There's also 13 plus 2 plus 5 megapixel normal sensors like wide angle, depth and macro, which is quite okayish, I would say. So it's not something astonishing, there's no periscope or something else, it's a normal flagship. The K30 Ultra has massive 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts of fast charging. It's not as fast as 120 watts which we saw in the Mi 10 Ultra, but like in 1 hour you'll get it 80 to 90% charge. So guys, this device starts at 1999 yuan, which is only 21,000 INR, that's $280 and 264 euros. Such amazing price for such amazing display and specs. Again, CPU is something you should note, rest is just great. That's all, thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.